This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kellie Coulter. Welcome to Lot 96 in the prestigious Shiloh Stables community of Hayesville, North Carolina. This stunning 1.63-acre parcel offers a serene, wooded landscape with rolling and steep topography, ideal for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. Nestled within an equestrian-friendly subdivision with community stables, this property is perfect for horse enthusiasts and outdoor seekers alike. Seize the opportunity to build your dream home or equestrian estate in this tranquil, nature-rich setting. Contact me today to learn more about this exceptional property and to schedule a visit. For more information, review the details below or contact Kellie Coulter at 828-835-8500.